Hello, fellow creatives. Let me hope we are all doing well and we are great. So today I'm going to be sharing about 6 or even more than the 6 ways you can happen to make money online. Okay, so if at all you're out there and you are looking for that other activity to be doing so that you can make some money online, we happen to watch a lot of videos that happen to teach you how to make money online because it is one of the most searched things online. Okay, it is one of the most searched things, so everyone is how can I make money online? Okay, there we happen to have questions like, how do I make money online? What is the best person to advise me on how to make money online? What is all several questions, but all leading to how to make money where? Online. So but for me, my idea would be we should stop searching for that. Okay, so we should stop searching for that, because if we happen to so we are basically targeting to earn money online. Let me just scroll this down a little bit. We are targeting to make money online. There are several activities that we can do online that can earn us some good money. But what fails us is basically uh, consistency. Let me even note it here. Consistency. Okay? Consistency. So consistency. So you at least you have watched several videos. I believe this is not your first video. You have watched several videos where you have done digital marketing, you have done drop shipping, you have done affiliate marketing, you have done web designing, and maybe you have failed most of them. But what would you call failing? You get. So with online, okay, most of the people, it is like doing digital, doing what? TikTok videos and doing YouTube videos. So you may find that it is like we need most of the times we look for side hustles, we need for quick how can I call it, get rich quick things. So that is because you may not want to hear it, but that is the reality. Because everything that you have to do, you have to put in, okay, put in your efforts, but you don't want to put in that extra effort. You try web designing, you know now all the ideas of web designing, what is involved, what is WordPress, what is coding. You have gone and taken courses, some are even bought courses, but after some time, like a month, like 2 months of doing it, or even 6 months, you're like, I thought I was going to be making millions, then you quit. You get that? So that is the issue. So the best way to make money online is consistency. There are a lot of activities that you can do online and earn money, but the problem is you are inconsistent. Let me give you an example. One of the businesses that you can do online is free what? Freelancing. So with this, how can you freelance? Okay, so we can do freelancing. Let me just bold this. Let me make this that. So we can do what? Freelancing. But how could we define our freelancing? So how could we determine our freelancing basically that we are doing? Okay, so the first thing I would say about freelancing, you can do freelancing of anything that is basically online, or that skill set. First, sit down. I know you have tried a lot of videos, you have gotten disappointed, but first sit down and see, or try to write down which skills do you have. You may be having a skill of what? Teaching. So you note that, like what I'm doing right now. So from that, because for me, I've happened to make some mistakes online whereby you let me give an example. Doing stock what? Stock footage and photography. I'm going to be giving you an example. Stock footage, footage and video what? Stock footage and photography. So now with stock footage and photography, these are like videos that you can submit to several platforms out there. There are stock websites like Pixel where we get free images and paid for images. You get, so those images or videos are submitted by people who shoot them and upload them. Then we buy from them. Okay, so we buy from those websites, and when we pay those websites, they take part of that money and they send the rest of the money to the people who created those videos. So let me give you an example. When I started doing stock photography and videography, it was a little bit like I wasn't expecting that a lot. So I tried it, and for several months I wasn't making some good sales. I was just making sense. But then someone just came and bought abruptly. He bought something like 4 clips and 1 image. Then I happened to receive over $100. So I was like, wow. But I had stopped submitting the stock footage and photos to those different platforms that I was uploading to, because I had lost hope, thinking that it won't do what? It won't work out. Okay? So my advice would be, you people, like, for so far the skill set you can do, let me just mention a few of them. Let me first maybe list them. So you can do freelancing. Freelancing includes your skill set. So what skills do you have? You can offer teaching. Let me call this number one. So in this number one, you can offer teaching, you can offer video, like video, whether video editing, the different stuff that is basically involved in what? In photography and video. And video and photography. That is like, if we put this, that is like editing. Then besides editing, there's color grading, because there are some people out there who would want you to offer those services. They have their money, but they have no those skill sets, and they are not willing to invest in time because they are occupied by some other activities. So you can go either color grade for them, edit for them, or even shoot for them. You understand that? But how would you get these different people? Like, post your videos on social media platforms, advertise that you're looking for those people who would want these services. With time, they will come. So you have to like start. The people you see online making money have stayed there for more than 3 years, more than 1 year. You get that? More than 6 months, but they don't tell you that. So those are like some of the reasons. Then you can also offer graphics. So with this channel, I've made several videos from scratch that can help you understand what graphics is. Then we can also offer like services like voiceovers. Okay. And the other thing, the industry has changed a lot. Okay, the industry of creativeness has changed a lot. Nowadays we have cameras, or we have phones with good cameras, so you can also offer acting. What? So acting. Okay, so like you like record a clip dancing, because there are a lot of musicians out there who need vixens. Okay, vixens, I don't know, like vixens, I don't know the right spelling. Let me hope that is it, since I've like, let me keep it at that, since now you have understood it. It is like models, so you can take your pictures, you can record some videos of you acting, then you post on your social media platforms, then you share them to groups, friends, and they can call you for a project on acting and that stuff. So endeavor to say that you can work online as a freelancer in those things that I've happened to mention. So second, okay, so second, we can also do crypto. Okay, so we can do crypto trading. I see some of the students that I happen to teach on some of the institutes I happen to teach graphics, I happen to see them doing crypto. Okay, that is crypto trading and forex trading. I believe I'm not so much into it, but I believe that it is almost the same. Okay, that is forex trading. So here I'm not meaning that you get your money and give it to people to trade for you, because then it means you are going to be sharing. If at all you have no time to learn it, then you trust those people, you can give them your money and they trade for you. But it would be better if you go ahead and learn that skill. Okay, then with time you just start with something little, because you are just starting out. Then after some time you will be somewhere. Okay, it is a matter of you taking that first step. Then number 3, we would go for virtual assistants. Okay, so we should look out for some jobs as virtual. Okay, virtual assistant jobs. So you would look for jobs, okay, online as virtual assistants or virtual assistant jobs. So there are a lot of companies that basically happen to reduce their working teams during Corona. So up to now they haven't maybe recovered that too much. So you can offer those, like some of their services. If they happen to get clients, they refer you those clients, they take commission, or they give you commission on that amount that has been paid as you work from home. So endeavor to see that you just look at online. So I'm sharing these gigs. I'm not saying that they are going to get you rich quick. Okay, so it takes time. Okay, it takes time. That is the issue that is basically disturbing you, because you like do something for a week, as you are getting better you move away. So most of the times that fellow YouTubers do not tell you is some things need you to like stay around. So for people, like it is like you to get your $1,000 and you buy a course online with a new from a new channel that is basically just starting. If you try to check on it, it is like 2 months old. So you're like, if I happen to buy this course and it does not have whatever I would love to earn, because you're not seeing any security. Like the channel has just been developed. Then from the channel being developed, you have never seen that creative, you have never seen some of his videos. Just imagine that. If for you cannot buy it, then it means also the other person cannot do what? Buy it. So you have to stay around for some time, take your time and be consistent. Okay, so if we happen to go to number 4, so there is also affiliate marketing. So there are a lot of platforms that you can join to become an affiliate affiliate marketing, or you become an affiliate marketer. So you sell, so how do you do it? It is like you sell a product. So let me say a company happens to be selling a certain product. So you team up in a way of signing up for the affiliate program. Then whenever they happen to make a purchase through those people that are basically using your code, you get a certain commission, okay, when these people pay off. So that is what we call affiliate marketing. So you're marketing something that is not yours. You do not make that product yourself, but you help that person who makes that product win more consumers. And when those consumers buy, you get a commission for each and every consumer who happens to buy, depending on the contract that you did what you signed. Okay, or besides the contract that you signed, or depending on the commission that the company is willing to offer. Okay, then number five, we would go for e-commerce. So you've seen some e-commerce platforms that are basically owned by individuals. You can just save your money somewhere, then happen to go to town, get some jewelry, okay, then take good pictures, get clothes, get shoes, take some good pictures and upload them on your store. Okay, then when people order, or they go through them and order for that product, so you just drive it from home to their what. So it means that that is what we would call e-commerce. Okay, so e-commerce websites. Are you saying that? So endeavor to say that you enter into the e-commerce website niches and stuff. So selling stuff online. You may be selling books, you may be selling clothes, you may be selling music, you may be selling themes, a lot of stuff that can be sold online is out there waiting for you to do it. You just have to be consistent. And when you want to make money online, for me, with the thing I've learned so far with the digital content I've happened to upload and people buying it, numbers matter. Yes, quality matters, because already you know that you're doing something good. Then the next thing is marketing. Okay, so however much you like do everything, okay, you like learn all of this, you start up your either your e-commerce website, your e-commerce store, and you don't market it, then it means that it is you and your friends who know about it. You get that? So number six is social media management. So you can like call people and you can happen to talk to people, and if they happen to see your social media platforms running well, they are well convinced that you'll happen to run their social media platforms. So they urge you to manage them, and you charge them an extra fee. So that is how you can happen to make money where online. Okay, and in the second video that we are going to be sharing, let me first note that, okay, social media okay, so if you're good at social media, then people can hire you to like manage their social media platforms. And once you know something about websites, you also know some stuff about graphics editing, then it will be easy for you. Okay, so endeavor to see that you join, okay, this platform by just clicking subscribe, okay, and you click on that notification button and choose all. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'm grateful, and let us meet in the next video. Remember to subscribe, and remember, we share a lot of content on this platform, so please subscribe and let us keep it running. So thank you for watching. Thank you for waiting up to this far.